Hello everyone and welcome to the best crypto channel ever. We are going to try our best to give you the most important news and novelty regarding crypto. Please follow us, we will be uploading daily. Subscribe to our channel and do not miss out. The only constant in the crypto market are the movements. There are huge movements at the moment and something is happening behind the curtains. XRP wealth will transfer in the next 30 days. Today we are going to talk about the big transfer of wealth that is going on behind all these huge market movements. That is why you should stay with us till the end of this video. Today we are going to cover several topics. One of them is about the movement of XRP and what is going to happen in the next 30 days. We are going to inform you how XRP will rise in its price in a very short period of time. We are going to talk about the crypto billionaire Jed McCaleb if and why he is dumping all of his XRPs. We are going to reveal why Russia is moving away from dollarization and why they are going to remove dollar assets from its wealth fund. And lastly, we are going to talk about how XRP will take over Bitcoin and what is going on in the relationship between XRP and Bitcoin. We are going to see what is going on the lawsuit for XRP, and how this coin is progressing despite the ongoing process. According to experts, there are going to happen some big things for XRP and its movement on the crypto market. This is expected to happen in the next 30 days. No one can say exactly what is going to happen, but the speculations are going on various of things. Some are saying that there is going to be some kind of cyber attack, and others are speculating that there is going to be wealth transfer, and that is why this coin is going to rise. The prognosis is that XRP is going to move through 3 or even 4 digits of value. You probably know so far that XRP is a leading coin concerning partnerships with other institutions. This is the thing that is specific for XRP and no other coin. Most of the partners are banks or financial institutions that are signing contracts with Ripple XRP every day. The lawsuit from the SEC is not stopping the institutions from partnering with Ripple. The most recent contract was signed with one of the largest financial institutions of Vietnam, OCB, and they joined the Ripple network, and became strategic partners. Before that we have seen partners like the Bank Dhofar and National Bank of Egypt, which is the largest bank in Egypt. Ripple also is playing a major role in what is called central bank's digital currency. This is going to be used as a bridging currency, and Ripple will lead that. All of these adoptions, all of these partnerships, and all of those investors that are giving their money and time into XRP is showing us that something big is about to happen that will shift every bank and every investor into this coin. We see bigger adoption of XRP even from the king of the crypto Bitcoin. People and investors, and especially financial institutions, are adopting XRP easily than they were adopting Bitcoin. This is telling us that something big is going to happen. That XRP is overtaking Bitcoin is proved by the numbers and data as well. Bitcoin is being overtaken by Ripple's XRP in the transaction volume in the United Kingdom, and this is according to the investment platform Uphold. Their data shows that UK transaction volumes across all cryptocurrencies have leapt 16-fold during the first 3 months of this year. The most interesting thing that this data is showing us is that XRP's transacted volume is at least 8 times that of Bitcoin. We have seen some volatility of the coin, but this is most due to the lawsuit that is going on. Despite all the evidence that there is no proof of what SEC is claiming, they are continuing with the lawsuit. But despite the lawsuit, the investors and partnerships are continuing. Let's talk about Jed McCaleb and his moves. Jed McCaleb is an American programmer, entrepreneur, and philanthropist. He is a co-founder and the CTO of Stellar. Prior to co-founding Stellar, McCaleb founded and served as the CTO of the company Ripple until 2013. McCaleb is also known for creating Mt. Gox, and the peer-to-peer eDonkey and Overnet networks as well as the eDonkey 2000 application. In January 2018, it was reported that McCaleb's Ripple token ownership was worth $20 billion, which would put him at 40th place in Forbes's list of world's richest people. In addition to this, Jed McCaleb, co-founder and former CTO of Ripple Labs, recently released a whopping 214,000.5 million XRP tokens from his Takistan wallet into the crypto exchanges. The analytics and the data are showing us that McCaleb done several major transactions. According to XRP scan, Jed McCaleb has dumped 214,000.5 million of his XRP tokens holding into the market. Analytics show that McCaleb made 20 transactions in total since June 30th. 3 consecutive transactions contained 16 million XRP. Each of the following 7 carried 12 million tokens, and the other 7 held around 8 million XRPs. 6 million of them are moved through the last 3 transactions. It is notable here that all of the above-mentioned transactions have been exercised during the span of mere 19 days. Most of the crypto enthusiasts are going to ask themselves why McCaleb is dumping all of these XRPs into the market. There is no clear answer on this question, but the analytics says that if he continues with this rate he will run out of tokens for around 1 month. For 30 days. The other thing that we are going to talk about is about the Russia and their idea for removing dollar assets from its wealth fund. This information was published on CNBC, and it was saying that Russia is cutting the US dollar from their $186 billion national wealth fund, as Washington, on the other hand, continues to impose sanctions on Moscow. This thing was announced at the St. Petersburg International Economic Forum on Thursday by the Minister for Finance Anton Sulyanov. These changes are expected to happen within the next month. This huge move from Russia will happen in the next 30 days. You can see that there is a coincidence with some events that are going to happen in 1 month from now. Most of the analysts are now trying to reveal why and what is going to happen with this move from Russia. Timothy Ash, Senior Emerging Market Sovereign Strategist at Blue Bay Assets Manager, described this decision of Russia as very political and one that's meant to send a signal to the President Joe Biden and its administration ahead of the upcoming summit with President Vladimir Putin. They are analyzing the message behind this decision. The messaging is, we don't need the US, we don't need to transact in dollars, and we are invulnerable to the US sanctions, he said in a research note after the announcement, adding that it could be interpreted as a sign that Moscow is expecting more sanctions from the United States. This article on CNBC is continuing with its analysis, and it is stating that this could be a concern for the United States. The concern is raised by a former U.S. Treasury official, Michael Greenwald. What alarms me is if Russia, China and Iran each create central bank digital currencies to operate outside of the dollar and other countries follow them, he told CNBC. That would be alarming, pointed out Greenwald. What we can conclude from this is that Russia is moving towards central bank digital currency as well. And you probably know who is going to lead that way. XRP, and its technology, is already prepared to become central bank digital currency anywhere on the globe. We can conclude that, like most of the big financial institutions in the world, Russia as well is following the example of them, and moving towards XRP. What exactly is coming on for XRP is still very unknown, but if you connect all of this information you can conclude that something big is coming. As we saw, there are coincidences with the 30 days range for so many events, and also huge deal is Russia and their movement towards CBDC. If all of this happen, we can expect that the price of XRP is going to move way up in 2, 3, 4 or maybe more digits. Even though the price of this coin fell as most of the market, still XRP is among the top 10 cryptocurrency as in the world. The current price is 60 cents, and its market capitalization is around $31 billion. The trading volume in the last 24 hours is something above $3 billion. Nonetheless, something is going to happen in the range of those 30 days, and most of the experts are saying that this thing is going to be good for XRP. It might be the end of the lawsuit, and that also is going to be step forward for the price of XRP. We are not a licensed financial advisor. All videos on this channel are intended for entertainment purposes only. You should not buy, sell, trade, or invest in any asset based on what we say in these videos. You should know that investing carries extreme risks. You could lose your entire investment. This is not trading advice, and we are in no way liable for any losses incurred. Thank you for watching our video. Please to our channel. We wish you a good luck.